Okay, I want to work on solving exponential equations. We're going to be changing bases in a little bit. For the first two I want to do tonight, um, the bases are the same. So all I want to show you is this. If the bases are the same, we can disregard the bases for now. So we're at a base of 7 here and a base of 7 here. So to make these things true, all we have to do is make this equal this. Isn't that right? So I'm just going to solve this algebraically. This is going to get really easy for us, right? It's going to be x plus 6 is equal to 3x plus 4. Going to move stuff around, and we're going to get 2x is equal to 10, right? Oh, this one here. I was like, what the hell's going on here? This is supposed to be a negative 4 here, so negative 4. Right? So 2x is equal to 10. I'm just doing that algebra. And x is equal to 5, isn't it? Check this out. 5 plus 6 is 11. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 minus 4 is 11. So 7 to the 11th is equal to 7 to the 11th. That was just easy algebra, I hope. So, okay, let's do another one. I'm going to do just a couple more. I'm going to do 2 more, one of them with change of base, and I think that's probably what you're looking for, but I just want to make sure that we're being clear about the fact that these are one-to-one functions, so we can just assume this stuff. So here's the next one. It says that we have 3 to the 2x plus 3 power. So 3 to the 2x plus 3 power is equal to 3 to the x squared power. Well, okay, good enough. So we can do that, and we see that we have like bases. So we have x squared is equal to 2x plus 3. I'm using the reflexive property because I like to look at it this way, if you don't mind. Because I know I'm going to move all this crap over. I'm going to move everything to the left-hand side and solve it as a quadratic is equal to 0. I'm going to go ahead and factor this, and the factors are x minus 3, x plus 1. Therefore, the solutions are x is equal to negative 1 or x is equal to positive 3, right? When I solve this out, what makes this go to 0? 3. What makes this go to 0? Negative 1. Okay, so there's that one. I didn't mean to skip that so fast, but I did want to get to where we're going to actually change the bases around a little bit. So we have 2 to the negative 100x power is equal to 0.5 to the x minus, 4 power here. So these don't have the same basis, so we can't just drop this. But look, we know that negative exponents create fractions. So if I apply this negative exponent right here, I can take this negative exponent out, right? Because we know that 2 to the negative 1 is equal to 1/2, isn't it? So I just took that negative 1 out here. Now I'm going to put this whole thing to the 1/2. Everybody look where it can see where I'm going? Yep. And not to be a smartass here, but 0.5 is 1/2, isn't it? So 0.5 is 1/2. And look, we have same bases. We now have 1/2 here as our base. And we have 1/2 here as our base. We can claim correctly that exponential functions are one-to-one functions. So these have this piece right. Let me do this the correct way. This piece right here has got to equal this piece right here. So all we have to do is just set this up and make it work. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to say 100x is equal to x minus 4. Now we're back at algebra 1, and we're going to get 99x is equal to 4. We're going to divide both sides by 99 to get x is equal to 4 over, negative 4. Somebody's about to get me, over 99. All right? So I think this is all doable, don't you? Okay. Hey, if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Your comments are always welcome, and I look forward to you seeing more of my videos, and I look forward to answering your questions. Thanks. Bye con Dios.